In loading and unloading docks, efficiency and precision are key. Our Auto ID at Dock solution for loading and unloading operations automates and optimizes these critical processes. The system is based on a portal with sensors and readers that automatically detect and read tags on pallets as they pass through the dock. This allows for quick and accurate side and front scanning. The results are displayed on an informational screen, with visual and auditory indicators that notify in real time if the operation is correct or if there is an error. This solution integrates easily with the warehouse management system, improving traceability, reducing errors, and increasing operational speed in handling goods. With automatic pallet identification, every logistical movement is carried out with greater precision and efficiency,